Hello, my name is Shaun Swanson, and I will be channeling Aishwa of the Yahyel civilization. And for the workshop, we'll be doing galactic heart wisdom activations with our ET family. And this is an awesome opportunity for you to have an interactive meditation with the Yahyel civilization interacting with you live in the room. They won't physically be in the room, but their energy will be in the room. And in the activations back and forth, it'll be a guided meditation as I channel Aishwa, goes back and forth in the activations. The idea there is to connect you to more of your heart wisdom. So that your heart wisdom is like a guide that connects us to our most enjoyable and fulfilling and meaningful life every day. And so these activations just help you more intuitively feel that communication from your heart wisdom. And you just more naturally and automatically start taking the decisions, making choices that move you on a path of your most fulfilling, meaningful life every day. So that's what the activations help connect you to your heart wisdom. So you can, in a sense, follow your heart wisdom. And it can also help if you ever have those feelings inside, something is missing in your life. There's some essential element you just desire to connect with it, to embrace it, to realize it, to feel it. You feel like there's just something missing in your life. This will help replace that with the feelings and the sensations that you are perfectly whole and that you are deeply loved every day in the most meaningful and wonderful ways. So that's what these heart wisdom activations from our galactic ET soul family help us connect with. And it'd be great to have you there. Every time I've done it, the people that are a part of it, they just come up to me, and I'm amazed at the things that they say they were experiencing. It's always enriching. That I'm grateful to be a part of bringing that kind of activation. And our galactic soul family is helping bring it through. So join me there in Mount Shasta. Galactic Heart Wisdom activations with our ET family.